Hi, everybody. Just a quick message. I want to take 5 minutes to show you that how important it is for you guys to be watching the instructional videos that all of your teachers are uploading, okay? And I want to show you how I know that you're not watching them, and it's really problematic. We are all online and at home, and I can't be in your house to teach you, and neither can your other teachers. So that is why we have recorded videos for all of our lessons. And some of them are short, like 2 or 3 minutes long, and some of them, unfortunately, have to be a little longer. I have some that are like over 20 minutes long, and I don't want to listen to myself talk any more than you probably do. But if you're not watching the video, you're not going to know how to do the assignment. It's like the equivalent of just sleeping through class and then wondering how come you don't know what to do, okay? So if I can just show you here, this is my YouTube channel, okay? And I'm gonna go with this guy here because this is a super important video that everybody in my class was supposed to watch yesterday, because the instruction for the entire school year is based on you being able to do what this video teaches you how to do. And I have about 60 kids in my English class, and according to the views here, only 15 people have viewed this video. 15 views. That is problematic, okay? Because of a lot of the people who did turn in the assignment or hit turn in on the assignment, they didn't actually do the assignment because they didn't watch the video, they never got to the end, and they had no idea they were supposed to do it. And so right now they have missing or zeros. So when I open up this guy here, and I know this is a longer video, I get it, okay? And I look at the analytics on this, I see that it's gotten 15 views. I see that the audience retention is that on average, people have only been watching 5 minutes worth of this video. So that means they are contacting me with questions like, but what do I do if I don't have a library card? Or, but I don't understand. I looked through the slides, so how come I have a 0 on the assignment? Or, well, I don't understand how to borrow a book from the library. What should I do? Or, I already have a library card, so I'm not going to need to do this assignment, okay? They're contacting me with all these questions because they never watched the lesson. And if you sense the exasperation in my voice right now, it's because I and all the other teachers here are exasperated because we have invested all of this time in creating these lessons for you so you can do them whenever you want. Okay, so you don't have to sit in front of a Zoom meeting at a specific time every day, staring at your teachers on Zoom meetings all day long. You have to watch these videos. And we know you're not watching them because you're not getting the work done or you're not getting it done right. Okay? So please, I cannot stress enough the importance of making sure that you watch the videos that your teachers are posting every single day to your assignments. If you have any questions for your teachers, the first thing they're probably going to ask you is, did you watch the tutorial? Did you watch the instructional video? And if your answer is no, then I and many others are probably going to direct you to go back and watch it before we help you with anything else, okay? You guys got to step up. You got this. Thank you so much. We're going to make it through this. Watch the videos and have a great day.